Would you like to learn how to make money online without any investment? Then keep watching. By the end of this video, you'll have enough knowledge of how to make money online without investing a single dime. I have been working online and making enough money to sustain myself and my family for the last 5 years. And I also know a lot of people who use the same means to make their income. Hello, my name is Gorretti. If you're new here, please subscribe down below and hit the notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, you'll be notified. In this video, I'm going to talk about something that I have seen a lot online, especially on social media, with people asking, how can I make money online? This question is mostly asked by stay-at-home moms or dads or people who have lost their jobs recently. I was hoping with the information I provide in this video, I could help someone out there who needs information about making income online without any capital. How can I make money online? Now, there are a lot of options you can choose from on how you can make money online without having capital or without investing one single cent. I'd like to make this a series so that I can provide enough and detailed information about each method of making money online. So make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell below so that every time I upload a new video, you won't miss it. So you won't also miss the information I'm going to be providing in the subsequent videos. Now, I'd like to start with the easiest and most straightforward way of making money online, which is what I started with 5 years ago. Article writing. I'm sure most of you have read articles online in magazines, blogs, websites. Those articles are not written by the owners of these blogs and these websites. Huge percentage of the articles you read online or in blogs and websites are written by hired writers who are just people like me and you. And all you need is a laptop, a desktop, a tablet, or just your phone. If you have a smartphone, the better. How do you go about starting the article writing gigs? It's really easy. There are countless sites where you can choose to start from. While some of these sites require you to bid for articles to write about, some of them let you choose what you want to write about, then post for sale. The sites where you have to bid have a process. All you have to do is go into the website, fill out a registration form, and in many cases, all they need is really just your names and your email address, and your account is created. So you log into your account and look for the jobs that have been posted by people who need articles. Choose the ones that you are sure you can complete, then bid on those. Okay, this is like an auction where you bid for an item, another person bids, another person bids. So what you need to do is to bid for as many jobs as possible. A client posts a topic they want to be written about with the requirements, including the tone, the word count, and everything else. They specify exactly what they want. Then you bid for it, and you are chosen, and you write about it, and you're paid. When bidding for an article, be convincing. Be as convincing as you can. Tell the client why you are the best person to write their article. Show them that you are capable of writing the article they need. Show them that you understand their instructions, the requirements, and all the specifications. That way, you will increase your chances of being chosen to write the article. If you are chosen to write an article, make sure that you do enough research about the topic so that you can have enough information to put into the article. Also, make sure that what you write is high quality. No plagiarism. Don't go copying and pasting information from Google. Do enough research, write high quality article, then send it to the client. Make sure it doesn't have any mistakes, especially grammatical mistakes. Don't make grammatical mistakes. That will show the client that you are not really qualified to write an article. But if you show the client that you are capable, This will help you to build a lasting relationship with them. This will make the client trust you, and also the next time they need an article, they won't need to go and post what they need on the website publicly. They are going to choose you specifically to write their articles. What that means is you are building loyalty with your clients, and this is very important. When you have loyal clients, you are sure that you will have enough money all the time, because the clients will come with the jobs directly for you, and you write, they will pay you. So what happens when you finish writing an article and you post it on the site? What happens is the client comes and pays for the article. They have to pay first for them to access it. So don't be worried saying that, oh, what if I read the article, the client comes and takes it, and then they don't pay. Don't worry about that. When the client needs this article, they have to pay first for them to access it, and then you get your money, they get their article. Simple. You've made money online. This may sound like a really long process, but trust me, it's not long. If you are really good and you're really fast at writing, you can make up to $100 a day. Even some people even make more, depending on the client, the quality of your writing, and the length of the article. A lot of clients pay $20 for 500 words article. If you're fast, you can write a 500-word article in less than 2 hours. If you write an article in less than 2 hours, and the client is paying, say, $20 per article, you can write 5 articles in one day. And that means what? You've made $100 in one day. So it's really, really easy, and it's a really simple and straightforward process. Which are these sites we are talking about? Some of the most popular websites for writing articles, especially for beginners, is one is Upwork. I started there. One is Upwork. This is it's a really good site. It's a good site. Go just look for Upwork. You'll see the site. Go create an account and look. There are a lot of jobs there. You'll find you won't lack work. All you have to do is bid and be really convincing. Another site is iWriter. iWriter is also another really good website. It's just that their pay is a little restricted, especially for beginners. But then it depends with how you write. If you keep writing and doing a good job, writing high quality articles, your level will just increase. Your rank increases as you write, uh, depending on how many articles you write and how you write them, and also the ratings of your clients. So make sure you do a good job. The other type of article writing sites that you can use to make money online without any investment are the sites where you choose a topic that interests you, write an article, and post there for sale. Also, you can choose topics that are trending, maybe on Google, especially on Google. Find topics that are trending and write about them. You are guaranteed to sell. I personally prefer this kind of sites because they are flexible. You can write about whatever you want, whenever you want, without worrying about deadlines and so on. So if you have maybe kids you're taking care of, and sometimes they can be challenging to work while you're taking care of them, choose this kind of site, because no one will be rushing you to ask you, have you finished my article, have you finished my article? No. So choose this kind of sites and you will succeed, because you won't really have so many mistakes, and you won't be rushed by anyone, and your working hours will be flexible. In addition, you get to price your own articles, although most of the times the amount you are allowed to charge depends on your rank again. So the more you write, the higher your rank, and the higher your rank, the more money you make. So make sure you keep writing, keep writing, keep writing. I personally still write for such a website. When I have free time, I write an article, I post it for sale, and most of the times, if I write about a trending topic, my articles don't even finish 2 days in the site. They are bought. So I hope you can choose this kind of site because they are really, I think they are the best. One of the sites I really prefer using up to this moment, where I write an article, I post for sale, and it's sold within no time, is Dot Writer. Dot Writer is a really, really friendly website. It's especially for a beginner. It's easy to navigate, it's easy to use. They are not really that strict. For your article to be rejected on Writer, you would have made really serious mistakes. But then, even if the article is rejected, you can still go back and correct the mistakes, then post it again, and it's approved. So you don't really need to stress yourself about looking for ways to make money online when writing articles is there. In my next video, I will talk about another really simple method of making money online without making any investment. So make sure that you subscribe, hit the notification bell so that when I upload it, you will be notified and learn about new ways you can make money online to sustain yourself or to supplement your income. Also, follow me on Facebook, on my Facebook page, and on Instagram. I'll put the links in the description box below, so make sure to follow me. Liked this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, put a comment below, and I'll try my best to answer them the way I know. So see you in my next video. Bye.